ID 08 Tripoli 455. Date 11th of June 2008. Class Secret/no fun, enough or not. Summary. Post visited to return Guantanamo detainees to confirm their welfare and whereabouts, and the legal basis on which they are being detained in Libya. Mohammed Mansour al-Rimi, ISN 194, and Benqu Muhammad, ISN 557, say they have not been mistreated. The Abu Salam prison, where they are held, is a place at which terrorists, extremists and other individuals deemed to be particularly dangerous to state security are detained. Exempts. Al-Rimi says he remains in solitary detention in a 15 by 15-foot cell, but he is able to walk outside regularly, is allowed to speak to other detainees, and has access to medication. He stated he was visited 3 times by family since his return in Libya. When asked about the condition of his arm and his teeth, al-Rimi said both were better. He repeated his earlier claim, refe, that he sustained the injury to his arm in 2004 or 2005 during a scuffle with United States soldiers who entered his cell to punish him for allegedly instigating a disturbance among several other prisoners. Read the full cable on www.wikileaks.nl/cable/2008/06.